Hi guys, today we are going to solve some more questions on classification. So let's begin with our video. Our first question is grassland, pampas, downs, prairies and savanna. You have 10 seconds to answer. If you want more time, you can pause the video. And the correct answer is grassland, because all except grasslands are type of grasslands. Our next question is cancel, change, repeal, revoke, rescind. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is change, because all except change are synonyms. Our next question is X-ray, telephone, radio, computer and television. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is X-ray, because all except X-ray are electronic media. Our next question is mustard, rapeseed, sesame, cashew nut and groundnut. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is cashew nut, because all except cashew nut can be used for extracting oils. Our next question is Akbar, Jahangir, Shah Jahan, Vikramaditya and Aurangzeb. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is Vikramaditya, because all except Vikramaditya were Mughal rulers. Our next question is wise, gentle, honest, rude, arrogance. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is arrogance, because all except arrogance are adjectives and arrogance is a noun. Our next question is pituitary, pancreas, thalamus, adrenal and testes. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is thalamus, because all except thalamus are hormone secreting glands. Our next question is beaker, glass, mug, saucer and cup. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is saucer, because all except saucer are used to contain liquid. Our next question is pound, yen, ounce, franc, dollar. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is ounce, because all except ounce are name of currencies and ounce is the unit of weight. Our next question is doe, bitch, sorceress, drone and mare. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is drone, because all except drones are female. Our next question is Virgo, Pisces, Sagittarius, Cancer and Orion. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is Orion, because all except Orions are zodiac signs and Orion is a constellation. Our next question is Confucius, phosphate, Guru Gobind, Moses, and Laotis. Sorry, Prophet. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is Guru Gobind, because all except Guru Gobind founded one or the other religion. Our next question is Admiral, Colonel, Captain, Commodore, and Lieutenant. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is Colonel, because all except Colonel are ranks of army. Our next question is Apsara, Zarlina, Purnima, Circus, and Apollo. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is Apollo. Yeah, because all except Apollo are names of nuclear reactors. Our next question is all except Plassey, Haldighati, Panipat, Sarnath, and Kurukshetra. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is Sarnath, because all except Sarnath are famous battlefields. Our next question is dynamics, mechanics, electronics, optics, and physics. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is physics, because all the subject are the contents of physics, or you can say the branches of physics. Our next question is hydrogen, paraffin, malathion, arosan, sulfur. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is hydrogen, because all except hydrogen are pesticides, while hydrogen is a rocket fuel. Our next question is Tarapur, Kota, Kalpakkam, Paradeep, and Narora. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is Paradeep, because all except Paradeep are atomic power stations, and Paradeep is a port. Our next question is nun, knight, monk, priest, and padre. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is knight, because all except knight are religious person, and knight is a warrior. Our next question is Dispur, Panaji, Shimla, Leh, Aziwal. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is Leh, because all except Leh are captains of some or the other state, and Leh is a hill station. Our next question is arc, diagonal, tangent, radius, and diameter. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is diagonal, because all except diagonal are terms associated with circle. Our next question is birch, spruce, cedar, maple and ebony. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is ebony, because all except ebony are coniferous trees and ebony is an evergreen tree. Our next question is Meter, Aswan, Hirakud, Satluj and Pony. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is Satluj, because all except Satluj are dams and Satluj is a river. Our next question is Bardoli, Bhadravati, Porbandar, Champaran and Sabarmati. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is Bhadravati, because all except Bhadravati are places related with Gandhiji. Our last question for today is epicenter, seismology, focus, crater and Richter scale. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is crater, because all except crater are terms associated with the earthquake. That was the end of our video, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. And if you want to watch my previous videos of analogy and classification, the link is given in the description. You can watch by clicking on the link. And that's the end of the chapter, guys. We will start with a new chapter, which is named as series. Series. So in the next video we will watch what is series. Till that, stay safe and take care. Till that, stay safe and take care. We'll meet in the next video.